People interact with your content when and where they want. So ensuring your Ceros experiences work across a multitude of devices is key. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how you can easily create different variants of an experience for different device types. By default, Ceros will scale to fit whatever device your user is viewing the content on. And although this can work for a large majority of use cases, we didn't want to stop there, which is why we allow our users to tailor the design of their experiences for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. To follow along with this lesson, go ahead and import the Build Along experience into your Ceros account. When you first create an experience, you will always start with the desktop version, which you can see reflected in the global layout panel near the top center of the studio. When it comes to process, you typically should finalize this initial design before moving on to any of the other variants to ensure you're not duplicating work. Once you have finished this initial design, you can choose to generate either a tablet version or a mobile version to customize. Let's generate a mobile version in this lesson. As you can see, the entire canvas size is automatically adjusted to mobile presets. However, we will not attempt to reflow your assets. This leaves the design control in your hands. Keep in mind that in some cases, customizing a variant may be as simple as resizing the content, and in other cases, you may want to do a complete redesign. It's up to you to decide what works best for your piece. In the next video, we will optimize our new variant for mobile devices by adjusting the layout and editing our interactions.